It looks like, at least when I took a cursory look, this is going to include more checks for Americans.
Well, we haven't seen the actual bill yet. It has not been released at this point. We expect Majority Leader Mitch McConnell to release it later this afternoon and let us know what exactly is in this plan. Remember, last week they expected to release it and it was delayed until today. So we'll see if it comes through later this afternoon. But based on what administration officials have been saying and what they said on the Sunday shows yesterday, we do expect another round of direct payments to Americans. So another $1,200 stimulus check. We also expect the enhanced unemployment benefits to be a bit smaller, quite a bit smaller, potentially. 70% of prior wages is what Republicans are eyeing at this point instead of the $600 each week. There will also be liability protections, tax credits for small businesses and restaurants included in the Republican plan. But remember, Republicans still have to negotiate with Democratic lawmakers. Administration officials on Sunday shows this week have floated the idea of breaking out pieces of this to get a smaller version, probably including those enhanced unemployment benefits done before they expire at the end of the week. But Democrats have really rejected that plan. Speaker Pelosi is not a fan of that idea at all. So we'll have to see what comes of negotiations now that Republicans are reportedly ready to start negotiating with Democrats.
So it looks like there actually could be a gap here between when a new bill is agreed upon and when Americans stop getting those enhanced employment benefits.
There very well could be. And really, Americans stopped receiving those last payments this weekend based on the payment schedules in each of these states. But the boosted unemployment benefits do expire on the 31st. So that's a really tight timeline for Congress to get this done.
Yeah, and they've had months to think about it. It's not like this was a surprise. Now, of course, investors also have to deal with escalating tensions between the U.S. and China. It could be one of the reasons why we're seeing stock futures come off their highs of the morning. Chinese authorities have taken over the U.S. consulate in Chengdu after its closure. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, China's foreign ministry said that China did take over that consulate, that American consulate, that China ordered the U.S. to close. It gave the U.S. 72 hours to get that done. And that came after the U.S. ordered China to close its consulate in Houston. So this has just been a series of rising tensions here. And Senator Ted Cruz said on CBS this weekend that there is the possibility that more Chinese consulates in the U.S. may have to close. So we'll be watching this story over the coming days.